In this video, I'm going to be going through solving a specific type of quadratic equation. So as you can see, we have x squared minus 25. So before, when we were doing factorizing, we would have done difference of two squares for this. But I'm going to show you a way to solve this equation using the regular solving equations method of bringing x's to one side and numbers to the other. So if we bring minus 25 over here, it'll become plus 25. So we have x squared is equal to 25. And then over here on the right, if you want to get rid of something squared, use square root the other side. So then x is equal to the square root of 25. So then x is equal to plus or minus 5. Now that plus or minus is very important, because remember, if you square minus 5, you'll also get positive 25, because a minus times a minus is a plus. So you have two answers. You can have plus 5 or minus 5. And that's the same when you square root any number. You can have a plus answer or a minus answer. Okay, let's do the second method for solving these. So we had x squared minus 25. So I'm going to do the difference of two squares for this now. So I can write 25 as 5 squared. So now I can write it as x plus 5, x minus 5, equal the terms to 0 now. So I have x plus 5 equal to 0, bring the 5 across, so x equals minus 5, and x minus 5 equal to 0, bring the minus 5 across, so x is equal to 5. So you can see the exact same answer, 5 or minus 5. Okay, let's do another one. So here we have x squared minus 81 equal to 0. So again, I'll do the two methods here. So I'll have x squared is equal to 81. X is equal to the square root of 81. So x is equal to plus or minus 9. Method 2 then. So x squared minus 81 equal to 0. This can be written as x squared minus 9 squared equal to 0. So I can write it now as x plus 9, x minus 9 equal to 0. So x plus 9 equal to 0. Bring the 9 across, so x is equal to minus 9. Bring the minus 9 across, so x is equal to 9. Okay, as you can see again, same answer. Okay, let's do another one. So here, again, I'll do the two methods. So let's bring minus 25 over. So 4x squared is equal to positive 25. Here now though, there's a 4 in front of the x squared, so I'm going to have to divide the right hand side by 4. So x squared is equal to 25 over 4. So x now is equal to the square root of 25 over 4. So x now will be equal to plus or minus 5 over 2. Okay, so there are my two answers. Plus 5 over 2 or minus 5 over 2. Let's do a second method. So 4x squared minus 25 equal to 0. So I'll write 4x squared as 2x all to b squared minus 5 squared. So now I have 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5 equal to terms to 0 now. So I'll have 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Bring the 5 over. So 2x equals minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 over 2. The other one then, I have 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Bring the minus 5 across. So 2x is equal to 5. Divide by 2 now, so x is equal to 5 over 2. You can see the exact same answers as above. One final one here. So again, I'll use the two methods. So I'll do this one quickly. Divide by 9 now. So x is equal to square root of 1 over 9. So x is equal to plus or minus 1 over 3. Okay, difference of two squares here. So I'll write it as 3x all to be squared minus 1 squared. So I'll have 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to terms 0 now. So we can have 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So that means 3x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus a third. Then 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 1. So x is equal to a third. So you can see, again, the exact same answers as we got above. Any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.